No. No. No.
Put
No.
it down.
Give it to me. No.
Collect the extra O.
Okay, give me that. Give me that.
You know how to run now.
He's gonna make a mess on the lawn. That thing got chemicals in it. Yeah.
This is a Lexus is300 and today we're gonna be buffing the headlights to get all the fog out. As you can see, the headlights are really foggy, especially this one. The mileage on the Lexus is 108,000 miles. So it's pretty old. It's a 2012 Lexus.
It's not that old.
But it's about 10 years old. This is how it looks before. We're gonna put some work on it, show you guys the outcome. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la.
Windex works just as fine as water.
Oh, okay.
It won't fuck it up.
Wait, yeah.
Because the only reason I put water in this because I ran out of Windex. Okay, cool. You're gonna wet it. I'm gonna wet this real quick.
First, what you wanna do?
I'm fucking with y'all. You wanna spray some water? It could be Windex or water. As long as you get some kind of liquid on there. Spray it down. You use your 800 grit. Make sure your power drill is facing the right direction. So you wanna go in a clockwork motion, not a reverse. Ready? Oh yeah, you might want to get something on here, like a towel. When you get to the edges, you gotta go lightly because you don't want to scratch the paint. But then when you get to the center, you can speed it up.
This one I got to do, I don't get time, the cover my face, calling me big man, wait, don't you get
Wet it, spray.
Okay, stop there.
Alright, so now we're gonna use a 1500 grit. So it looks like. I'm gonna put it on, and then make sure this surface is wet. And then we're gonna start off in the middle. You can start off in the middle and work your way around edges, but you can start around the edges and make your way around the front. It's whatever you want to choose.
I know feet, die for not. What's it gonna be? She was gonna all the venture. The gather I know I know die for not. Taking the same thing we do to them, not commented. I can't come back to myself. So anything we do, they die to this one.
Okay, once you start seeing this white residue and it looks like this is when you know that you got to move on to the next grit and make sure you had covered the entire surface. So that's an indicator right there, just to let you know. Now we're going to go to the 3000 grit. Make sure your surface is always wet. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Had to say that shit. I hear it all the time.
Don't forget to comment and like.
Oh yeah, comment and like. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you don't over sand, because it'll leave kind of like burn marks. Just the same thing like if you were cutting wood with a saw, and then you would stay in the same position with the saw and it would burn the wood. Same thing the same thing goes with plastic. So make sure you just keep it moderate and you don't overdo it. Don't get crazy with the power drill. And now we're gonna buff. So this is the buffing. It doesn't have any numbers, just a buffing pad. You just stick it on, and you have your buffing solution polish. So you just put a little bit on there. You don't have to go crazy with it, man. Don't lotion the whole car. Alright. Just put a little dab at a time. Oops, gotta open the tab.
Pause.
Huh? Oh. You don't want to add too much of the solution to oversaturate.
Foggy. You can barely see silver. It's yellow tint. After, this is the right side.
Just to make sure money, yeah. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride with I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride with me. I know,
No.
Put
No.
it down.
Give it to me. No.
Collected the extra O.
Okay, give me that, give me that.
Face it. Yeah, remember you have that tilt.